Here I have OPPO Reno 5 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to get iOS volume panel on this device. So as you can see, now I have like the standard volume panel slider here, but you can actually get the one like on the iOS devices. What you will have to do is to just download the app Volume Styles, customize your volume panel slider from the Play Store. Then you have to open this app, tap Start. Then you have to grant the accessibility services permissions for this device, for this app here. And here you have to choose this iOS style. And as you can see, now I have my volume slider like on iOS. Wow, unbelievable. I almost feel like I'm using iPhone. You can also change it to the another iOS style. You have this iOS 12 here. And as you can see, it looks a bit another way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.